Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you are having a wonderful day. In today's video, I want to share with you a handbag that I purchased a few months ago and I haven't had an opportunity to unbox it, but I have. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen it because I've worn it about 3 or 4 times and you may have seen it there. I also featured it in my last video. The other thing I want to share with you is a small leather good that I also purchased from LV and I had not shared. And last but not least, I want to share with you a very thoughtful and nice gift that LV actually sent me for Mother's Day. So if you want to see what I purchased and what I received, just keep on watching. I'm going to go ahead and get started with what I purchased, which is the small leather good. I don't know if I have a picture of the wrapping. I saw it and I texted my SA and he went ahead and took care of it and mailed it over to me. And to be frank, I think I put a little short and I showed it to you and I had forgotten to even open it. It had just been sitting in my room. But let me go ahead and share it with you now. Comes in its little dust bag. And it is this beautiful, beautiful pocket organizer. It is in the beautiful yellow with a blue, kind of like a turquoise blue. And this is from the men's collection. The pocket organizers are from the men's collection. This one in particular is a limited edition for the men's spring summer 2023. And if you see, look at this, look at the detail right here. It is just stunning. This is coated canvas with leather and the interior is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, it has right there men's in French, men's collection 2023. It's just, the inside is just beautiful. And I generally will purchase limited edition pocket organizers, but I really buy them and I gift them to my sons. This one in particular, I may be keeping for myself. It is just really beautiful, happy colors. I love the interior. And these have 3 card slots over here, plus an additional one down here that you can use, in addition to a slip pocket here and another slip pocket here. So you can carry a nice amount of cards. This is just what came inside. And again, this has the item code right there. But yeah, this I purchased again a few months ago. I don't know if it's still available. If it is, I'll link it below. But I did want to share. I have not used it and it is just super adorable. Okay, next I want to share the handbag that I purchased, and it is this one right here. This is called the Multicolor Monogram Clutch. And it has interlaced canvas coated material throughout the handbag, all these beautiful colors, which is really what drew me to this particular bag, all these beautiful colors. And then in between here, you can see the monogram. And it's very interesting because it has the monogram, but it's very not in your face. Not that I really care about that, but it's just interesting and very pretty. The bottom part of the bag is shiny leather. Everything around over here is leather. The tab here is leather, and then the handle is also leather. It has gold hardware, and it has all of it. You open it just like you would open a trunk. And this is what the sides look like. It has very, very beautiful details. I'll give you a kind of 360-degree view. Absolutely love the detachable chain. It is thick and very, very, very beautiful. And if I have to say, the only thing about this purse is really the opening. It is a little bit challenging. You open it here just like you would the petite malle or the trunk. So you just push and then you pull this up, and that is fine. But after that, it's still not open. So you have to come to these clasps over here. You have one and you have two, and it's difficult because now I'm doing it in the air, but then you have to pull in different directions, and then it'll open, and then you can actually go ahead and open the bag. And let me just take this out. The interior of the bag is all lined in the microfiber material. It has one slip pocket right here, a very small slip pocket that you probably can't see because it's all black interior, and that's really it. It's just one opening. But it's a very nice bag. Obviously, capacity wise, you can fit a lot in here. You can fit your glasses, you can fit a wallet, you can fit makeup. So it is a nice size for going out. You don't have to worry about compromising what you're going to take. And just, it's just beautiful. I thought it was a different bag. It's not your regular bag. And I do know that they have this same style available in all monogram, or a style that looks very much like it. And I'll link that one down below. But I really fell in love with this one because of the colors and the fact that it did have the monogram, but it had all of these colors in addition to the black, which is something that is, I don't want to say lacking, but almost lacking in my handbag collection. I do have black bags, but they're mainly Chanel classic flaps, and it's not really what I want to carry all the time. So yeah, this is the bag that I purchased. And again, I'll insert some photos. Absolutely love her. Let me know if you want me to do a what fits in the bag, but this is really my latest Louis Vuitton handbag that I've purchased up to date. Last but not least, I do want to share what LV sent me for Mother's Day, and I thought that was just very nice. I have a very good relationship with my SA and the store director and the store in general where I shop, and I appreciate any little thing or any detail that they have because they don't have to. I got this in the mail, and it is this beautiful, beautiful monogram coin pouch. It is a little bit, I'm gonna have to probably stuff it here because this part is a little bit smushed. I think it has to do because how long it was in a box in UPS. They tried to deliver 3 times before they were able to get anybody at home. So the heat and being in the box, I think that's really what happened there. But anyhow, it is an absolutely beautiful coin purse, or you can use it for whatever you want. Of course, it has the gold hardware, and the interior looks like this. It's got the brown lining. And interesting, you can see here, it says Louis Vuitton made in Paris, and it says not for sale. And I love it because it's unexpected. I love my round coin pouch. And this one is a little bit different than the regular coin pouch, which I believe is now discontinued. Let me just grab mine for a second. All right, here is my coin pouch, which I believe is discontinued now. It does have coins. As you can see, they're the same. I would say they're about the same size. The difference is in the width. This is let's do over here. This is the one that they gave me, and this is the one that I already had, and this one is slimmer than this one. But anyway, just wanted to share this with you. I think it's absolutely adorable. Thank you so much, LV Aventura. Love all of you. Well, that's all I've got for today. Short video. Let me know if you have any questions on the handbag or the pocket organizer. I'm excited to go ahead and use this bag a little bit more. So other than that, I hope everyone is well. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you soon. Bye.